Hello, people. So it's Christmas Eve, and I spent the day today reading this book, An Angel Saved My Life by Jackie Newcomb. She's called the Angel Lady of UK. And the reason I'm speaking about this book is angel therapy, angel healing is such a little known practice, but in UK it's like we have Reiki healers here. By the way, I've done 4 levels of Reiki so far. That's Reiki master level. So this book has also been written by a Reiki healer, a Reiki person who's done Reiki master level. So An Angel Saved My Life is, you all should read it to reaffirm the fact that there is this higher power or higher intelligence who's there for you when you really feel all alone. So I find that very amazing, this that whole thought. So anyway, I'm all dressed and ready to, I plan to go to St. Mary's Church right now. So it's 24th December 2019, the last few days of the teenage of the world. Like in another few days it'll be 2020, so this is the last few days of 2019, so it feels good. So people, try and read this book, An Angel Saved My Life by Jackie Newcomb. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.